Hi guys, I'm Dana and welcome back to my channel, The Donkey Business. Are you seeing how consistent I am these days? It's all thanks to you guys because y'all have constantly been supporting me and recommending me things to watch and react to. I reacted to the movie Marco very recently, which is one of the most violent films I have watched made in India. And a lot of you guys asked me to react to the trailer teaser of Retro, which is another violent film. Violence is not even my genre, but it's what you guys want me to do. It's what you guys want me to get into. So I am going to do that and I'm going to react to the title teaser of Retro. Let's get into it. What a brilliantly crafted teaser. I honestly kind of know what the film can be about. So the teaser basically shows us that there's a man who has major anger issues, probably is a rowdy, fights a lot with people, is not is pretty violent, and his girlfriend wants to marry him, but she's not happy with his anger issues, and so he promises her that I will not be angry anymore, and I will leave everything, and I will choose love over anger. That what I love about the teaser is that they have kind of introduced the characters who have a very interesting arc in the story. I must say, the whatever they showed us apart from the temple scene where he asks out the actress were very interesting. I love the colors, I love the BGM, I love the shots, I love the characters, I loved the way every character was crafted in the teaser. It kind of tells us a story about the guy who is in love with this girl. He decides to give up on violence to be with her. But what I think is going to happen in the film is that something happens to her and he gets back into action again to save her life or whatever the situation the director and the writer have created. That's what I think the movie can be, but I hope that the movie is a surprise. However, I feel that this is not a very violent action movie where they might just glorify violence to a level where you're like, okay, it's okay to do that, that means it's normal. I don't think they're normalizing action in this film. I think it is more about the craft of action. I'm very excited to see it, and honestly, the thing that I'm the most excited about in this trailer teaser is definitely the background score because it stood out, and the cinematography. I think both these things are going to be amazing apart from the action direction, of course, because that's what the movie is based on. But it looks very interesting and I am very excited for the trailer as well. Know what you think about the movie in the comments below. I don't know if I want to ask for action movie recommendations, but let's watch this one and then we will see if this is a genre that I actually am interested in. But don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching my video.